Hey guys, what's up? Sodapop from the left pedal. It is about 7 in the morning and it is freezing cold and raining. So let's go work on a car. To be honest with you, I don't even know what we're doing today, but I'm sure something's broken. So first step is to find something to fix. You know, normally it's nice to have a beer when you're working on your car, but today I've got a pumpkin spice latte in a monkey mug, like a real man. So in the last episode we replaced the coilovers, and they've been turning out alright. But this one's been a little bit shaky, or it's been rattling, and I think is the top hat. And so I'm just gonna swap the top hat out with the one on the old coilover, and we're gonna see if that'll fix the problem. And that should take up some time, so yay, I found something to do. And as you can see, last time Nick was here, he left all his car parts in my house, so that's fine, Nick, it's whatever. I mean, it's no big deal, honestly, it's no... Alright, nature, if you could do me a favor and get out of my carport, that'd be awesome. You know that feeling when your friend gets drunk and throws up in your house, and then he shows up again the next weekend with beer wanting to do it again? That's kind of what it feels like to have to put in a part and pull it out a week later. So I think I said top hat earlier, I meant the strut mount, cause driving it rattles, and you can almost see the top nut moving around in the strut mount, and it doesn't, I don't know if you can see, it's not in great condition. Like I said, I got these used. So I still have the old coilovers, and so we're just gonna swap the strut mount from this one onto this one, because it's just a stock strut mount on both of them. And we'll see if that fixes our little problem. Alright, here's the old strut mount from the new coilovers, and the new strut mount from the old coilovers. So we're gonna put the new old strut mount onto the new coilovers, and we're gonna put the old new strut mount. We don't have to put those on the old coilovers, we don't care about those. Alright guys, the mount is replaced, so now I'm going to take it for a quick test drive and see if the noise has stopped. Well, the coilovers actually feel fantastic. I'm very happy with the way that car is handling right now. I know we didn't get a lot done this episode, but we fixed something that was broken, and we got some cool rolling shots of the car. I bet probably look cool when they're all edited up. So yeah, I got some big stuff planned, and I'll let you guys know in the upcoming episodes what that is. So make sure to like and subscribe. And Nick and Winter are also about to go overboard on their builds as well. So it's gonna be a good end of the year for the left pedal, and I hope to see y'all soon. All right.